Welcome to JH. Is Credit Genius .co.uk actually legit, or should you guard your personal info like the last slice of pizza at a party? Let's find out together. First things first, the website itself doesn't show a single user review. That's a bit unusual, isn't it? Most legitimate sites at least try to pretend people like them, but these guys couldn't even be bothered to fake it. When we dug a little deeper and checked Trustpilot, the results were about as pleasant as a root canal. The site has a 1.5-star rating with over 430 reviews, and a staggering 92% of them are 1-star. Honestly, getting a score that low almost deserves a trophy for consistency and failure. Many users report unauthorized charges and a nightmare of a time trying to cancel payments linked to something called Quid Market Loans UK. It seems they treat your bank account like an open buffet, making repeated withdrawals without consent while your emails and calls disappear into a black hole. Stopping these payments apparently requires a direct intervention from your bank, which is exactly the kind of convenience we all look for in a financial service. Reviewers are screaming for everyone to stay away, citing hidden fees and a misleading application process that's more of a trap than a tool. To add to the mystery, Credit Genius has zero social media presence. In a world where even my grandmother has a TikTok, a financial company with no digital footprint is a massive red flag. They're basically the invisible man of credit sites, but significantly less charming. The consumer support is where the comedy really peaks. While they list an email, phone number, and address, a quick search reveals they simply copy-pasted that info from other websites. Nothing says professionalism like identity theft. If they can't even provide a real office address, giving them your sensitive data is a bold move. If by bold, you mean terrifying. There's also zero info on the founders, no license numbers, and no VAT registration. It's all very trust me, bro, which isn't exactly a solid financial strategy. In conclusion, Credit Genius .co.uk is waving more red flags than a referee in a chaotic football match. Between the toxic reviews, the stolen contact info, and the total lack of transparency, this is one website you should avoid at all costs. Thanks for watching. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next one.